Sparkle, and today we're going to be making some slime. So I made some earlier, and these is what they look like. They're so stretchy. You can also do all kinds of things with them. Sometimes they snap though, but oh well. But they can be so good colours. This one was a blue before, but now you see it's not really a blue anymore. But these ones I mixed together with purple and green, and now it's like a purpley kind of greeny thing, which is quite good. And this one is all glittery, and it's a bit doughy than the others, and it's really cool. You can play with them loads. This one's very purpley as well. And then I got my massive green one. This one's really like my favourite. It's so much of it. You can play with slime loads. But then it's a nice kid's party as well, so that's quite nice. But it's very fun to play with slime. It's actually quite easy to make as well. It only takes about 5 minutes. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. So you need a bowl to put everything in. I need some PVA glue, and you need some shaving cream to make it nice and fluffy. And if you don't want to use shaving cream, you can use this soap as well. And you need some baby oil to make it all slippery and nice to play with. And you need the magic ingredient that I'll tell you about later. And some glitter. Maybe some sparkles if you feel like it. And you'll need some food colouring and bicarbonate soda, which in American they call baking soda. So let's get started. So first I need my bowl to put in the middle. I just need to put my side by side. And now I'm going to get my PVA glue and put a little bit of PVA glue in it. About a bowl of it. Well, not exactly a bowl, but about like the first floor there. Then next you need some baking soda. You need half a teaspoon of this. Now mix it all together with your spoon. Now you need your food colour. I'm using pink, but you can use whatever colour you want. Now I need to stir it all up. And now I'm going to put some silver glitter in it. Notice what it looks like in a moment, but when I stir it, it will not look like that. And now I'm going to put some shaving cream in it. I need to stir it all together. It's a multi-action eye wash, and it goes in your eye, so it's perfectly safe for little ones. Now this is very it's called the magic ingredient, we call it, because it had boric acid in it. Now I just need to pour it out of the cup of the boric acid and the iron. Now you can see it's starting to get like flat. So now I've got my really grubbly slime. You can feel it and it feels like slime. Now this might be quite funny. So now we need to get some baby oil and spray it in. I'm just going to give it to my dad to open. This will make it less slippery and show the colour more. I only put in like a squirt of it. Now mine's done, so see you in the video and see you next time. And next time we're going to be making fake slime. Bye! Here's some slime.